In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close your year in QuickBooks. Let's get started by opening your web browser and visiting the QuickBooks online page. Once you're there, log into your account. You'll need to be signed in to access and modify your account settings. Now that you're logged in, the first thing to do is to find the settings. This is usually represented by a gear icon at the top of your QuickBooks interface. When you click on this icon, a menu will drop down with a variety of options. The one we're interested in is the Account and Settings option. Selecting this option will bring you to the heart of QuickBooks configuration settings. Inside the Account and Settings menu, you'll next want to locate the Advanced tab. The advanced settings may not be something you dive into daily, but when it comes to closing your books at the end of the year, these settings become pivotal. Click on the Advanced tab to proceed. Within this section, you'll find several options, but our focus is on the Close the Books option. Depending on your display settings, you might need to scroll down to find it. Once you do, turn on the option labeled Close the Books. Activating this tells QuickBooks you're ready to wrap up the financial details for the completed year. The next step involves selecting a closing date. This date is crucial as it defines the point after which no accidental changes to your books can occur. It's a good practice to pick a date that's comfortably after your last recorded transaction for the year, ensuring everything you've entered is accounted for without interference. Moving on, you'll encounter a drop-down menu that offers the option Allow changes after viewing a warning and entering a password. This feature adds a security layer by requiring a password to make any changes once the books are closed. To proceed, you'll need to set a password. Choose one that's memorable but secure, as this will act as your key to making any future edits. After you type in your password, the system will ask you to confirm it. This involves retyping the password to ensure there's no typographical error like missing a letter or mistakenly entering the wrong character. Once you've entered and confirmed your password, all that's left is to press the Save button. This action records all your configuration in the system and officially closes your books for the year. Congratulations! You've successfully closed out the year in QuickBooks. By taking these steps, you've secured your financial data and laid a firm groundwork for any audits or reviews in the future. It's a job well done, and you should be proud of smoothly navigating through this task. Make sure to come back next time for more QuickBooks tips and tricks.